I'm going to show you how to use an oven probe with your LG oven. If your oven supports a probe, the probe will have came with your accessories along with your manual for the oven. It's going to look like this. It has a long needle end on one side and then a male plug jack at the other end. The input for the jack can be found inside the upper right corner of both an LG range or a wall oven. Some ranges have caps over the plugs like this wall oven, and others don't like this range. So to use the oven probe, the first thing you want to do is insert the needle end into the thickest part of the meat. Next, you want to check your manual for proper rack placement for whatever you're cooking, and then insert the jack end into the input. So as soon as you plug this in, you should see a notification or a probe icon blinking in the display, letting you know that it's being recognized. If you don't see an icon in the display, check the connection and reinsert it. Next, you want to select whatever cooking mode you're using. So for this example, I'm going to do bake, and then I'm going to set my temperature for bake and press start. Next, I'll be prompted to set my probe temperature. And you can see the probe icon letting me know that it's been switched to the probe setting. It defaults to 150 degrees. I'm going to set my probe temperature to 145 and press start. And now the display will show my probe temperature. If I want to check my oven temperature, I can push the temp button to view the oven. Since you're monitoring a probe temperature and not a time, the timer function is disabled when using the probe. When the probe reaches my 145 degree temperature, I'll hear an alert, and then the oven will automatically shut off. The LG probe is designed to be used for larger cuts of meat and is recommended for no preheating. If you would still like to preheat, make sure to wear oven-safe mitts when connecting and disconnecting the probe. Last, when finished cooking, make sure to disconnect the probe when it's not in use, again wearing oven-safe mitts when doing so. The probe is oven-safe but may melt at extreme temperatures if you were to use a mode like broil or an oven clean.